for joining us today. My name is Chad, and today I want to cover with you our new quick set log clamp. This clamp is available for the 100, the 280, and the 285, so it'll fit on all three of our models. Now this clamp here, it'll pivot up and down, and it also has a cam action head on it. So this clamp has a lot of cam action in it, so on your softer woods, you're going to have a lot of bite into them. And then when you get into your harder woods like what we have here, you're not going to need quite as much cam, so it's going to be a little bit of a adjustment there and getting used to as you start to use this new clamp, but it has plenty of biting power and holding power. So what you want to do, you'll take it here, and since we're already on a log that's pretty hard, I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit of cam, and then I'm going to slide it in there and push her down. Now that we have the log squared up on all three sides, we're going to use the other side of this clamp here, which is to square it off. That way when we get into this cant, we're not putting marks into our cant.